What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we hit again the range of support, pretty much this range of roughly $617 to $639. And this range is the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. Let me switch to daily time frame. And let me show you in a bigger scale what do we have right here. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top, as you can see right here, we have this range of 0.5 as the 50% retracement from this top to this range where we are now. And this means this range is quite good support because it is an algo target, and from this range we have the possibility to hit higher targets because a lot of bots added its long position. So, and let's continue with the hourly time frame again, and let me show you that right here we have quite a decent movement to the downside when we hit this range, and my main assumption was that we should hit lower targets if this asset breaks the $617. And for now we have this bounce to the upside, and I've told you at this very point, let me show you in details, that if we will have the movement to the upside, then we will have a retracement. On this retracement you will be able to enter your swing trade position and your stop loss should be slightly below this bottom. And as you can see, for those of you who entered your position right here, you might be up to the current price for about 10%. Definitely decent movement to the upside and decent profits of 10%. So what should we expect next? I will show you in my technical analysis, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news. And I have to say that we have quite bearish news directly related to Tesla, and let me show you this. On BBC.com we have this article that is titled "New Tesla factories losing billions of dollars, Musk says." And it was published just 16 hours ago, and this happens due to battery shortages and supply disruptions in China. And let me quote you this. The multi-billionaire also called the plants in Berlin and Austin, Texas, gigantic money furnaces. COVID-19 lockdowns in China this year, including in Shanghai, where Tesla has a huge factory, have made it increasingly difficult for manufacturers to operate. In recent weeks, Mr. Musk has been warning of job cuts at the firm. Both Berlin and Austin factories are gigantic money furnaces right now. It's really like a giant roaring sound, which is the sound of money on fire, said Mr. Musk, who is the electric vehicle maker's chief executive. The plants are losing billions of dollars right now. There is a ton of expense and hardly any output, he added in an interview with the Tesla owners of Silicon Valley, a company-recognized club. Tesla's site in Austin currently produces a tiny number of cars, partly because some components for its batteries were stuck at a Chinese port with no one to actually move it, he said. This is all going to get fixed real fast, but it requires a lot of attention, Mr. Musk added. And I have to say that definitely this news is quite bearish for Tesla, but let me show you this paragraph. The interview was recorded at the end of last month, but this part of conversation was only posted on Wednesday. This means Elon Musk said this back in May, and definitely for now, let me quote you this again. This is all going to get fixed real fast, but it requires a lot of attention. This means probably this issue is already fixed and we might see the increase in the production rates of Tesla from this moment. But definitely in general, we still have these risks on the table, and that's why we have to be cautious with our position. So let me show you another news. Right here on teslarati.com we have this article that was published on June 22nd, and it's titled Tesla Giga Shanghai to halt production in July to upgrade Model Y line capacity. And let me quote you this. Tesla seems to be setting the stage for Gigafactory Shanghai to increase its Model Y output. As per recent report from China, Tesla is shutting down its electric vehicle factory in early July to make way for upgrades to the Model Y line. With the upgrades in place, Gigafactory Shanghai's Model Y output will reportedly be boosted to about 2,000 units per day. Overall, the improvements to Giga Shanghai's Model Y production should put the factory's weekly output closer to about 22,000 units per week. Interestingly enough, an image of a memo from Tesla China seemed to indicate that Giga Shanghai's shutdown will only last for a few days, from July 1st to July 4th, 2022. However, and this is a really important part, Reuters, citing an internal memo for the electric vehicle maker, noted in a report that the shutdown would instead last 2 weeks. And this is the scary part of this memo, and I have to say that because of this news, we might see a lot of uncertainty on the market, and that's why we have to be cautious with the short-term position. And let me show you right here on marketbeat.com. We have a new price target from Morgan Stanley, and Adam Jonas lowered its price target from $1,300 to $1,200, and it still implies an opportunity of roughly 69% of potential profits. And definitely this reduction of the price target is not the best sign, but all in all, the upside potential even from current ranges is very, very high. And I have to say that this forecast is made for the next 12 months, and definitely 69% of upside potential during next 12 months is a very good achievement. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next from the price action? Definitely we have basically the consolidation phase, and we didn't break this bottom and this top. And if I connect, let me show it to you right here, if I connect these tops and these bottoms, what do we have right here? Probably we have a symmetrical triangle, and if it is the case, if it is the real price action inside the symmetrical triangle, definitely it pretty much confirms this breakdown. From this top we have, this is our first wave, this is our second, this entire 5-wave structure is the internal third wave, and we are in the fourth wave, and this formation usually happens in the fourth wave, and this means most likely we might see a lower price action and we might break this range of support. So if it happens, definitely it will confirm this retracement, and definitely in the ranges of roughly $500 we might see the next major accumulation point for this asset. And this will be a very good opportunity for the long-term investors, because it will imply even more lucrative profits with this company for the next 12 months. But I have to say that we have drastically increasing volume, as you can see on this consolidation phase. This means I don't think that we might have this formation as the symmetrical triangle, and we have to have one more leg to the downside. We should see much lower volume in this consolidation phase, and then we should see the spike when we have the breakout. And instead of this, because of this volume, I think that we probably might have the truncated fifth wave at this very point, and if it is the case, we should break above this range of support again with increasing volume, and we should break this previous swing high at roughly $800. If it happens, definitely it will be the confirmation of new uptrend, and in my opinion this point of roughly $607 will be the lowest point for the retracement from the end of November 2021 till present day, and definitely from this range we might hit higher targets. So we have two basically crucial points. We have this range of resistance and this range of support, and we have to take a closer look on these ranges, and definitely this the breakout outside of this formation will be a huge sign for traders and investors. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only